by Clear. Did you know that 3 to 7% input tax credit was never filed in FY20 due to vendor non-compliance? Did you also know that 6 to 11% input tax credit was delayed due to a delay in vendor filings? These are not just percentages. If you have suppliers who are non-compliant, this means that your business's cash flows and profits could get impacted by up to 7% each year. Shocking, isn't it? Well, Clear has introduced a powerful AI-based solution that helps plug this input tax credit leakages. By the end of this video, you will understand how you can maximize your input tax credit and improve your business's cash flows. Hello and welcome. I'm Mayashri from Clear, from the makers of Clear Tax. Clear serves more than 3,000 large enterprises and more than 4 lakh growing businesses. Welcome back to our channel. If you happen to be new here, I have an exciting announcement for new subscribers. We have a free gift. Get a GST compliance calendar that will help you stay 100% compliant without any of the stress. To claim it, subscribe to our channel and let us know in the form provided in the description below. In 2019, the government introduced the concept of provisional ITC, allowing businesses to claim 20% ITC as provisional ITC from the eligible ITC reflected in their GSTR 2A. The provisional ITC limit got capped at 5% in 2021, with the GST Council recommending in the 45th Council meeting that businesses no longer be allowed to claim provisional ITC at all. This means that ITC claims will be restricted only to the extent the respective suppliers furnish their invoices and debit notes in their Form GSTR 1 or through the invoice furnishing facility. These claims must also reflect in the taxpayer's GSTR 2B for them to be allowed ITC. Hence, if a business's suppliers do not upload their invoices on time in the GSTR 1 or IFF, then the business will not be able to claim ITC on those invoices, resulting in their GST cash outflows increasing. In fact, this could impact the working capital and profitability of an enterprise by up to 7%. For this reason, businesses need to carry out frequent reconciliations between the purchase books and the GSTR 2B to identify mismatches and missing ITC and communicate with vendors to upload invoices. Carrying out ITC reconciliation manually is time-consuming and prone to errors. It also does not ensure that every invoice is reconciled and 100% ITC is claimed. Further, following up with vendors manually is an extremely difficult process. Given that ITC claims are only going to become tighter, businesses should automate their ITC claim process as soon as possible. Automating ITC claims through AI-based tools ensures 100% accuracy without missing out on even a single invoice. Businesses also need to automate their vendor communication process. They should use a solution that identifies the commonly defaulting vendors and categorizes them based on risk. The solution should also automate vendor payments. For example, a business can set their vendor payment terms to automatically hold the GST amount or the entire amount due if a vendor has not filed their GST returns. They can then sync this decision back to their ERP for all future payments. This way, every business can reduce the defaulting vendors over time and increase their ITC claims. Higher ITC claims result in lower GST cash outflows. ClearMax ITC is India's first end-to-end solution to maximize ITC for businesses. Using AI-based tools, ClearMax ITC helps business maximize their ITC claims and improve cash flows. The ClearMax ITC tool offers users the fastest AI-based reconciliations, match invoices without any errors, and help identify 100% input tax credit. Automated data reconciliations take place to direct pulls from the GST portal and the ERP at regular intervals in time. Automated vendor communication helps minimize follow-up efforts with your vendors and urges them to comply with uploading invoices. Smart payment decisions sync to the ERP based on automated vendor categorization through an intelligent vendor scoring mechanism, penalizes defaulting vendors and rewards the compliant ones. Advanced user access management helps define access rights for each team and keeps your data absolutely secure. Such an amazing solution, isn't it? Using the ClearMax ITC solution, you can be assured of 100% ITC claims and improved cash flows. If you'd like a demo of the ClearMax ITC solution and understand how it will help maximize your input tax credit claims and improve cash flows, then please click on the link in the description below and enter your contact details. One of our experts will get in touch with you. Input tax credit restrictions are only going to become tighter. This means that businesses need to bring in automation in tax compliance and ITC claims in order to ensure 100% accuracy and that no leakages happen. Besides a dynamic reconciliation system, what enterprises need most are automated vendor communication and vendor management process in place. Why don't you check out the ClearMax ITC solution today and get a demo to see how your business can improve its cash flows. If you found this video useful, please support us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to fill the form given in the video description to win your free gift. Thank you.